Assalamu alaikum. Here is Hina with English news. First headlines. PM heads to Saudi Arabia on 3 days visit today. Prime Minister Imran Khan will embark on a 3-day official visit to the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia today. COAS calls on Saudi Crown Prince. Chief of Army Staff General Qamar Javed, who is in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia on an official visit, called on Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman bin Abdul Aziz Al Saud. 25 killed in one of Rio's most violent police raids. At least 25 people were killed in a shootout between suspected drug traffickers and police in Rio, one of the state's deadliest police raids, police said. Government places Ehsan Iqbal's name on ECL. The federal government has placed Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz MNA Ehsan Iqbal on the exit control list. NEPRA approves reduction in fuel adjustment charges for May 2021. National Electric Power Regulatory Authority has announced to reduce fuel adjustment charges for the month of May 2021. This is the end of today's English news. Stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Take care and goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.